Once upon a time, in the ancient land of Canaan, a tale unfolded that would echo through the corridors of history, the story of Israel. It was a time when tribes roamed the fertile lands, their destinies entwined with the shifting sands of time. In the heart of Canaan, a nomadic tribe known as the Israelites emerged. Led by a man named Abraham, they carried with them a promise, a covenant with a higher power that foretold a land flowing with milk and honey, a promised land for a chosen people. As the years passed, the descendants of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob found themselves enslaved in the mighty kingdom of Egypt. But destiny had other plans. A man named Moses rose among them, a leader chosen to free his people from the chains of oppression. Through plagues and miracles, he led the Israelites through the treacherous wilderness, guided by a divine presence manifested as a pillar of cloud by day and a pillar of fire by night. The journey was long and arduous, but the Israelites persevered. Finally, they stood at the threshold of the promised land, Canaan. Joshua, a valiant warrior and successor to Moses, led them into battle against the fortified walls of Jericho. Miraculously, the walls crumbled, and the Israelites claimed their first victory in their new homeland. The story of Israel unfolded through judges and kings, heroes and monarchs like Deborah, Gideon, Saul, and David. The city of Jerusalem, perched on the hills of Judah, became the beating heart of the kingdom. Under King Solomon's reign, the magnificent Temple of Solomon rose, a testament to the glory of the Israelite kingdom. Yet the tale took a somber turn, as division and strife marred the United Kingdom. The 10 northern tribes formed the Kingdom of Israel, while the 2 southern tribes established the Kingdom of Judah. The prophets, like Isaiah and Jeremiah, warned of impending doom and called for repentance. The Assyrians swept across the northern kingdom, scattering the 10 tribes to the winds. The Babylonians, too, marched against Judah, and the temple was razed to the ground. The Israelites faced exile, their identity hanging by a thread. Amidst the ruins, hope endured. The Persian king Cyrus issued a decree allowing the exiled Israelites to return to their homeland. Ezra the scribe and Nehemiah the governor played pivotal roles in rebuilding Jerusalem and restoring the people's faith. The centuries unfolded, and the land of Israel became a crossroads of empires, Persian, Hellenistic, and Roman. The Maccabean revolt, led by the brave Judah Maccabee, saw the rededication of the Second Temple and the miracle of the oil that burned for 8 days. Yet, the Roman grip tightened, and a man named Jesus emerged, a humble carpenter who would inspire a movement that transcended borders and time. The crucifixion and resurrection became a cornerstone of faith, shaping the course of Christianity. In the years that followed, the land witnessed conquerors and the rise and fall of empires. It became a melting pot of cultures, faiths, and civilizations. The story of Israel continued to evolve, a testament to resilience, faith, and the enduring spirit of a people bound by a history as rich and diverse as the land they called home.